Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is 5th of December 2017. Right now it's dot 1:30, right? So let me just open up the international markets also because I got little delayed today, but I thought just never mind, some of the days because I was conducting my webinar and I got little delayed, but doesn't matter. Nifty can be analyzed at any instant. So this is FTSE. Let me just look at the international scenario first. This FTSE has opened gap up. Can you see? This is how it was yesterday, and it opened gap up. Let's see what's happening in DAX. That is, I mean, just doing nothing. And this is CAC. CAC is also having exactly same pattern as the DAX, right? But FTSE has a very clear indication that it is opening gap up. Now see, if in this graph, which is FTSE, if it crosses this 200 moving average with momentum, then FTSE will go up. Now let's do the same thing with NSE, Nifty, right? This is NSE Nifty. Now let's see what could be possible scenarios. So I'll take you back to my kite platform. This is Nifty Cash 1-day graph, right? It's Nifty Cash 1-day graph. And let's identify what could be a possible, range for Nifty, or what may probably happen. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the pivot points, right? So this is pivot point in 1 day. Nifty has broken 200 DMA support, and now which is the next support that it has? It has a support at 10,050. That's what the support is. So Nifty did go down, and kind of little retracement has taken place, right? Let's go to the shorter frames and see what's happening in them. This is 15 minutes, right? Nifty is being just falling, as I said, and it's taking a support from 10,000. I mean, at this point, like 10,070, it is taking the support. So now, as I said, when will I change my stance on Nifty? When will I change my stance on Nifty? When the Nifty takes a turn in the, it crosses this 50 moving average. That is when my stance on Nifty will change, right? And then it should remain above the 50 moving average for some time and move ahead. And when it crosses 200 moving average, I will completely change my stance from being negative to positive. Now today, when I was conducting my webinar, I was saying that there is just master Nifty, right? When you master Nifty, you don't need to do 100 trades. Whenever the crossover takes place, right, on this day, which is actually 4th of October, right? Somewhere here, you enter into the market 9911, 99,000 is when you enter the market, and exit when the moving averages cross 10,400, right? How many points? 400 plus 100 there, 500 points. And how many days? From October to 7th of November. This is the long run up Nifty has given, right? Then exit your trades. You've exited, at the same time short it, sell it, right? Set the futures, sell the futures, remain short, right? Till what point will you remain short? Don't wait for this to cross, but the moment candles go above the 10 moving average and cross the 50 moving average, here you exit. You entered into the short at this point, which is 10,000, which is 10,379, and you buy back your Nifty as 10,169, right? Then now you don't have to enter. Where do you enter? At this point you enter. 150 moving average and 10 moving average both have crossed 200 moving average. So start from 10,280, and when it goes below, when this resistance is being experienced, exit your trade, right? Exit your trade 10,330, you exit your trade and go into short. When this resistance is so beautiful, exit your buy position and come into sell. and remain in the sell position, still remain in sell position, because until it goes above 50 moving average, you got nothing to worry about. You don't need any other indicator. You don't need MACD, you don't need RSI, you just need these three moving averages, right? Depending upon how many lots you want to do. Like if this is this 1 month and 1 lot, right? And how many points? 400 points. No, 400 points or 500 points. Starting from here, 99,900 to 10,450. So it's about good 500 point. 500 point into 75. How much does it make? So, and how much is the investment? You know how much is the investment? It's roughly about 60,000-70,000 rupees. That's your investment. And how much is your profit? Let's just calculate that as well. I'm saying that you have about 500 points. The 500 into 75. 500 into 75. So it's 37,500. That's your profit on one lot without any tension, without any stress, right? Then again, here you enter, then you just have to play with one lot. You just have to play with one lot, right? And within 2 months, I'm 100% sure. How much money do we need to, if we have about 700-800 points, we'll double our money. So from here to here, we have how many points? From this point, we have till this point 550 points. And then when you see this resistance being experienced, right? Or when it crosses from here 10,400 till this point, how many are these points? We get 500 points there. And if we sell it at 390 and buy back at 182, so we have good 200 points here. So 500 plus 2, 700. And then we buy over here at this point, right? To 10,277 and exit here, 377, 100 points here. So 500 plus 200 plus 100, 800 points. And 800 into 75 will make it how much? I think it'll be 6,000 rupees, right? 60,000 rupees. So this is how you will be able to, within 2 months, 800 into 75. 60,000 rupees. So within 2 months, you will be able to double your money. That's the power this technical setup gives you, right? You have nothing to look at. You don't need to look at RSI. You don't need to look at MACD. You don't need to look at anything. Just stick to a Nifty and double your money every 2 months, 3 months. You can back test it. You can go back as many months as you wish to go back, right? See here. Let's go back to whichever point you want to go back. Here, enter at this point, right? This is 3rd of July, 9586, and remain till this point here. 10,027. Where did we enter? 9,500. And where did we exit? At this point, 10,035. So good about 400 points. Then here is the resistance. Short your Nifty. Short Nifty till this point. From here, 10,046 to 9,700 something. So 300 points here. 350 points here. 450 plus 350 makes it 800. Your money has been doubled. Right? How many days? 14th August is this day. And this day was 4th of July. So within about 30 trading sessions, you have got your money doubled. Right? Then remain in short position only until the moving averages convincingly cross. 50 moving average, here you exit. Remain exited only because it takes a turn and comes down further. Now, when the moving averages are very, very close, stay away. Don't do anything. No intraday trading, nothing. Now wait for it to convincingly cross or take a support. So here it has been taking once, twice, thrice support. And then when this moving average takes a support, you can go long. You can go long here, you can go long here. Remain in the buy position, right? From here till here, 9933 till this point, which is 10,000 99, 9933, so about 100 points you get here. Then when it goes down, you can sell it also. From this point to this point, you get about another 50 points, and then it bounces back again, exit, right? Now there is no movement. You can see here. Now see, for us, you know, we will remain long because our what is our strategy? Whenever 50 moving average and 10 moving average go above 200 moving average, go long, right? So this is where the moving averages are very, very close, not giving any clear indication. So wait till you see multiple supports and then go long, right? From here till this point, you will remain in the buy side. So from to here, which is 9936 till this point, 10,108, 9936 to 10,108, so it's about 170 points. And then whenever this resistance happens, sell short Nifty. So 10,100 till this point, right, which is 10,000, 9,877, you will remain in short, right? I'm doing very, very broad analysis for you. And then you go long, right? From here to here, then you again short, then you again go long. I mean, only one in last, how many trades in few months? Let's see. How many trades we will do in few months? It is just going to be one trade here. This is starting from July. So 4th July, one trade. Then this trade of shorting, 8th of August. Then buying back, and you know, you can buy back at this point somewhere and remain out of the market because all the moving averages are very close. Now when they separate away from each other, that's when you need to enter. From here you will enter till this point. Then again short it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5th, 6th, 7. 7 trades, and now 8th trade is going on in Nifty. And from July till now, it must have at least made your money 3 times, right? It must have made your money 3 times. I would say go for it. This is, you know, something anybody who has no idea what's happening international, you don't need to, you know, follow any Fed meeting or RBI policy, nothing you have to follow. You have everything out here. You have everything out here in the form of just these 3 moving averages. You don't need to follow RSI, you don't need to follow MACD, nothing. You just have to wait for crossovers and get your money doubled in 1.5 months. All right, then you don't need to work for any stock, you don't need to search the stock, you don't need to work on them. So I want to show you some stocks that I have invested into. One of them is Videocon Industries. You can see how is it going up every single day. Look at it here, right? Then this is another stock, High Ground. It's been just heading up. And some of the stocks that I want to show you are, one of the stock is Quick Heal, which I have given on. This is Quick Heal. See how nicely it's going up. Today it's also this massive candle in the downtrend market, right? And then another stock that I want to talk about is Vimta Laboratories, which I've given in the Rockers Group. Vimta Labs Limited. So see here, this is how it has been heading up nicely, right? So all these stocks, if you want to identify, you need to learn. You need to understand what's happening in the market, right? And if you understand about the market, if you know, there are 2 things. If it is a Nifty stock, then you have to be in the direction of Nifty, right? But if it is not a Nifty stock, Nifty 50 stocks or Nifty next 50 stock, there is a correlation between the stocks and the Nifty movement. So if you understand that correlation nicely, then you will not trade against it. And these stocks are cash stocks. So cash stocks which are not part of Nifty or Nifty 50, they will behave with their own pattern only, right? The beauty of our setup is that we do get to find the stocks in, no matter what's happening in Nifty, they will have only one trend, which is upward. So I want to show you an example of that is Ramkey. Again, 16 points up. This is how it is going up and up and up, right? This is how it has been going up. And so I think from wherever I've given it to you people over here, it has become 3 times, almost 3 times from there, 300% return. What do you want? I don't think so any other place you will get such a beautiful run up and such a beautiful return. All right. So these were my stocks, like some of the stocks that I wanted to talk about. And VIP clothing is also doing very well. Like that is also a stock that I've given a little bit of profit booking will come into, will come, because when Nifty is going down, the stock will also cool down. So you don't have to worry about it. Also, I want to say that many of you say stop loss hit. When I'm saying use common sense, when Nifty has been going down every single day, why do you have to hold your positions? Why do you have to hold your profitable positions? See, it's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sixth day today Nifty is negative and you're still holding the positions. Those which you were in profit also you're holding, and then you are letting the stop loss hit. So that's not a smartness, that's being foolish about your trading setups, about your trading. Don't do that. If you see a selling coming in Nifty when the candles go below 10 moving average, and that to be such a huge selling, if you are in profit, hold it with stop loss, so that if the stock takes a turn, then you don't lose money. Okay, be that much prudent about being in the market. Use that much wisdom at least. Whatever you have got, whatever you have having in your trading portfolio, don't let it go waste. All right, so quickly let's look into Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has gone down quite a lot, but it is kind of bouncing back. So the kind of trade that I'm telling you also exists for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also has similar trades. Whenever the 200 moving average crossover takes place, go long. Whenever it takes place in the downward direction, but when such a huge gap up opening takes place, don't do anything, just stay out of the market, right? It's a huge gap up, 25,600 to 300 point gap up opening. Remain out of it. More probability of it to come down rather than to go up. So whenever this 200 moving average takes place, the 50 moving average crosses 200 moving average, go long, right? And when it goes in the downward direction, short it, right? Those will be the best trades that you can have in Bank Nifty. It will remove all the whipsaws. All right. So this is what I wanted to share today, and now my webinar will start on the month of January, 6th of January. Get ready for that. We had a phenomenal response from you all. Thank you everyone for trusting me, and I'm 100% sure you will have a different mindset when you now enter in the stock market. You will be able to see with a different perspective the stock market now. So, and I really wish those who are in the market and they still feel that they know it, I would say there can't be a better proposition than what we give. We tell you that we will help you in getting your money back, right? We will ensure that you've got your money back, So when you have such a good proposition, why do you wait for? Enroll for your next upcoming. Start doing some extra work, hard work. I get so many emails that I don't have money. So I'm saying I'm waiting for you. Do some extra work, take tuitions. If you can't do anything, you're not getting a job, take tuitions. Do something. I'm 100% sure this struggle, you will remember your life. You will remember this course for your life, right? So when you will pay for it and you will struggle for it, you will realize how much you gain from the course. So work hard. I am waiting for you. I will ensure you get whatever you are paying. Every penny will count. Every penny will count, and every penny will change your mindset when you look at the stock market again. And one stock I gave little long back, which has really performed well, is Crompton CG Power. I don't know, Consumer Power, I don't know. This is the stock which I gave around somewhere here at 220, right? I gave it at about 220, somewhere here. This was the point, right? and now it is at 272. In how many trading sessions? Not many trading sessions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1 month. 1 month means in 1 month you have got 25% return. More than 25% return. There can't be a I think this is huge, huge. It's very huge and safe return. So learn how do you get such kind of returns, and I'm ready to teach you from my heart, like everything that I know, you will know. That promise I'm doing. All right. Now see you in January's webinar. I'm waiting for you all. Good day. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.